Hello, in this lecture we are going to see about JavaScript in Internet programming. JavaScript is a scripting language mostly used for client-side scripting. Initially, JavaScript can be called it as LiveScript, which is developed by Netscape. In parallel, Sun developed a Java, so it can be called it as JavaScript. JavaScript is a client-side scripting language because it can be run on the client software. When a client make a request, all HTML and scripting code will get downloaded in the browser and resultant code will be displayed in the browser. It is an implementation of ECMA script standard where ECMA define syntax and basic characteristics of the languages, and also it provide objects such as regular expression, date and number. To write JavaScript, the JavaScript code will be embedded between the tag script. What can do with JavaScript? JavaScript manipulate the web content dynamically. It helps to create interactive user interface in a web pages. It helps to validate the data. It is used to detect the visitor browser and helps to create cookies. Advantage and disadvantage of JavaScript. Advantage of JavaScript will be it allow dynamic HTML pages, even complete web application. The main disadvantage of JavaScript are it need to be JavaScript should be enabled in the browser. It require the client who trusts the server to run the code which server provides. This will be the simple JavaScript program. So first HTML document will begins with the tag HTML. Inside the HTML, it contains two different sections, head and the body. So the data which have been represented inside the body tag, that will be displayed on the browser. So JavaScript code will be displayed inside the body with the help of the tag script. So when we run this HTML document in a browser, it display the output as Hello World Wide Web. Where JS code can be inserted. It can be inserted in three different locations. First one will be inside the HTML script. Either it should be in a body or a head section as a value of some HTML attribute. Another one will be the internal file. The script can be loaded from an internal file with the help of the attribute src. So script src equal to myscript.js, where myscript.js will be the external file. It can be saved with the name myscript.js. This will be the example for the external file. Our external file will be your source file. So your source file which contain the statement document.write.hr, document.write hello world wide web, document.write.hr. When we execute this HTML document in a browser, it display the statement written in the your source file as an external source. The JS method of client side document.write alert prompt confirm. Document.write, it helps to display the output in the browser. Alert, it used to display a pop-up menu with an information. So whatever written inside the alert method, that can be displayed as a pop-up window. Then confirm, are you okay? It can be displayed with the two option, okay and cancel. Based on the user, the actions will be performed. Prompt, it is used to get the data or get the input from the user. These are the fundamentals of JavaScript language. The JavaScript types are classified into primitive types and object types. The primitive types are number, string, boolean, null, undefined. And object types are function, array, date and regular expression. The elements of JavaScript, let's see three important elements of JavaScript: variables, arrays and functions. The elements of JavaScript variable. JavaScript variable is used to store the data with an keyword var. So the variable declared within a function can be called it as local variable. It can be accessed within that function alone. Variable declared outside the function can be called it as global variable. It can be accessed throughout the program. So in this example, A, B, C are the three variables and A and B are initialized with a value 2. So arithmetic operation can be taken place between the variable A and B, and resultant will be stored in the variable C and it can be displayed by using the allot method. Array. Array is a collection of similar types of object. It can be represented in three different ways: by array literal, by creating instance of array directly, by using an array constructor. With the help of the keyword new, array can be declared where car equal to new array of 3, where car will be the array name. It hold the three different value: Ford, Toyota and Honda. These are the two different ways in which array can be declared and initialized. Elements of JavaScript function. It is a group of reusable code which can be called anywhere in the program. So function can be declared or defined inside the script. Control statements of JavaScript. So if else, while, for, ternary operator, switch case, foreign, break, continue are the some of the control statements which have been used in the JavaScript language. So condition, it is based on the decision. If else statement is used, if hold the condition, based on the condition, if it is true, the if statement will be executed, otherwise it execute the else block. Loops, minimizing repetition. It contains three different looping statement: while, do while and for loop. The while loop, it execute the while statement when the while condition is true. Do while, it execute the do statement at least one even the while condition goes fail. For loop, it is based on the three properties: initialization, condition expression, increment or decrement, where from where the loop has to be started and based on which condition the loop should be executed, whether the variable should be increment or decrement. These are the syntax for the looping. So while condition, based on condition while loop will be executed. Do, first it execute the do statement, then it check the while condition. For loop, declaration, conditions and actions. Thank you.